It should be a fairly quiet Sunday for most of us, maybe getting a brief shower or thunderstorm closer to the Brazos Valley in the afternoon. But for central Texas, you've basically got some partly cloudy conditions. Temperatures will be in the 90s all afternoon with a high temperature landing somewhere around 96 degrees. And then by 10 o'clock, you're looking at 84 with some clearing skies, and winds will be out of the south at about 10 to 12 miles per hour. Our weather is going to be fairly quiet over the next few days, maybe for the next week or so, as high pressure continues to kind of do what it wants over the southern United States. You'll notice that the jet stream is way up to the north and won't be paying us a visit anytime soon. So the high will continue to kind of move along to the west. Now, this is high pressure up at jet stream level. Underneath this, closer to the surface, there will be a weak surface boundary that'll attempt to cross the Red River from the north by the time we get into Tuesday. But it looks like any rain from that is going to remain in the Dallas area and likely it won't be making it here. We also have some tropical activity to talk about. We now have Tropical Depression 2, which this is a satellite picture from earlier this afternoon, and it doesn't look like much, but this would be Tropical Depression 2 right here, kind of nestled in the Gulf off the Yucatan. And well, this will potentially grow into Tropical Storm Barry. Is it going to mean anything for the U.S.? Likely not. This will quickly go inland to Mexico and kind of become history really before it gets going. Now, some remnants of that might offer some rain for parts of the U.S. later, but that's going to be getting into a few days from now. As far as our forecast is concerned, well, we've got some clear skies tonight, some clouds coming through tomorrow, and today we did avoid the sea breeze. Tomorrow, we might catch that sea breeze in the Bryan College Station area. They could get a couple showers and storms, but that is something that likely won't cross beyond Cameron, Franklin, and Centerville. Central Texas, I think you'll be okay for tomorrow. Monday, it does look like maybe a couple showers and storms will be up to our north. You see some of that to Abilene. But again, that is likely something that won't be making it here. Our Monday should be quiet. I think Tuesday will, for the most part, be quiet. And as we do that, our weather is going to be still running with a heat index of 100 to maybe 101 over the next few days. Lows tonight falling down to 76 degrees for many places. And highs tomorrow should be in those mid-90s. Again, 94, 96, call it what you will there. And for your 10-day forecast here, we've got some little bit of extra sunshine there on Monday. Back to partly cloudy on Tuesday at 97, maybe sneaking in some showers there on Thursday, but not so much for Friday. The 4th of July looks good but hot at 97. Maybe even 98 by next Monday. Finally, for the Brazos Valley here, your forecast looks like 93 tomorrow with maybe a couple storms in the area, 95 on Monday and should be quiet, 96 on Tuesday, and temperatures will remain in the mid-90s throughout the week, which is going to spell a hot Independence Day.